Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Shakhriyar Mamedyarov and Peter Svidler. This is a game from Tal Memorial Rapid Chess Tournament played in Moscow in 2018. Shakhriyar Mamedyarov had white pieces and he started with d4. Peter Svidler played knight to f6, knight to f3, g6, bishop to g5, bishop to g7, knight from b to d2. What opening is this? This is a Torre attack and Fianchetto defense. c5, e3, c takes on d4, e takes on d4, b6, c3, castling, bishop to d3, and Peter Svidler was waiting for this move. So he played bishop to a6, bishop takes on a6, knight takes on a6, queen to e2, attacking the knight, knight to c7. White to move. Castling kingside. Seems like a sensible move, do you agree? Mamedyarov was reasoning. It is Tal's Memorial. So let's play something aggressive in honor of the legend we call Tal. And he played h4. Black to move. Looks like that white will not castle kingside, so perhaps he will castle queenside. That is why Peter Svidler played b5, firing on the queenside and expecting Mamedyarov to castle queenside. h5, b4. What happens if knight takes on h5? Can you see what happens then? Sometimes white sacrifices the exchange, but this is not necessary in this position. White has a better move. Bishop takes on e7, and after queen to b8, bishop takes on f8, and white is better. Back to our game. So Peter Svidler played b4. H takes on g6, h takes on g6, and now white can win a pawn. C takes on b4 is possible. Mamedyarov played a very clever move, keeping the c file closed, just in case. It may be useful if he decides to castle queenside. Knight to e6, bishop to e3, d5. Naturally, Svidler wants to open files and to catch white king before he reaches the safety of castling. c5, knight to e4, and Mamedyarov castled queenside. Black to move. Svidler played f5. This move is compromising black's king's safety. Knight takes on e4, f takes on e4, and now knight to e5, daring black to take the knight. Rook to f6. If bishop takes the knight, then black would have a big trouble on dark squares. Let's have a look what happens. One line goes like this. If bishop takes on e5, then naturally d takes on e5. Let's say queen to c7. This is not the only move, but you will get the picture. Queen to g4. Knight to g7. Queen takes on g6. Queen takes on e5. Bishop to d4. Queen to f4 check. King to b1. e5. And now rook to h5 is possible. If pawn takes bishop, then rook from d to h1, and black can resign. Back to our game. Svidler played rook to f6, queen to g4, knight to f8, white to move. What would you do? Which piece is the best defender of the black king? Can you remove that piece? Bishop to h6. You want to exchange dark square bishops. Bishop takes on h6, rook takes on h6. This position is very difficult for black to play. In a very difficult position, Peter Svidler played Queen to c8, offering to exchange queens, but then he resigned. Why did he resign? What did he see? Did he see a beautiful lady and wanted to chat with her? No, he saw something else, something very ugly. Please pause and try to understand why black resigned in this position. Did you pause? What did you find? Peter Svidler resigned because of this move. Queen to h4. This is a deadly move. The rook is coming to h8, and this can't be stopped. Let's play a random move. And then rook to h8 check, king to g7, queen to h6 check. Nicely played game by Shakhriyar, Mamedyarov. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.